What's up, guys? Anthony from Real American Outdoors. Today we are going to replace the fuel filter on the Mercury ProXS. This is a 2013 250 horse. What we are also going to do is we're going to drain the vapor separator here with these two little drains. Let me show you what the tools are going to need. Alright, first you're going to need your new fuel filter. It's going to look like this, all nice and done up. Here is the Quicksilver one that we use. I will put the link in the description with the part number. One thing also to remove these is you're going to want this little socket thing that Quicksilver sells, Mercury. It's also, you can buy it on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. It allows you to put a socket wrench in there into the top here and be able to remove this a lot easier, since you don't want to be breaking that thing off and having a problem getting in there. Along with that, just need an Allen key. I don't know the exact size of this, so it's not too big of one, and just to open up the drain and get the bad crap out, and it's a pretty simple process. Go ahead and put your Mercury fuel filter socket right in the old top of the filter. It's going to be a little hard with the rod here for your throttle, so go ahead and put throttle all the way up. If you got a hot foot, put a block in there. Just needs to be down maybe halfway to be able to get the drive in. So you'll see. And now just make sure you're going lefty loosey. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the drains here. We're going to start with the right one. Just go ahead and wiggle it off. If you have to, you can get a flathead screwdriver and walk it down, but it's not too bad. It's not going to come pouring out because it's not open. So go ahead and get yourself a water bottle or a bucket at all, and the Allen key is on the side here, and go ahead and lefty loosey righty tighty. Alright, you'll see it coming out. It's going to get all the crap out. Hold the fuel. Alright, so go ahead and do the other side after you pop the right side back up. Walk it down, nice and easy. Get your bottle ready inside there. And go ahead and take your Allen key and open it up. Okay, go ahead and once the fuel stops dripping, go ahead and tighten it up. Make sure the other side was tightened up as well before you go ahead and put the hose back on. So that's done dripping. We're going to go ahead and slide her back up. Let's go ahead and replace the filter. Take your new filter. Like I said, you're going to have to finagle around the rod here. This is for the throttle, so tighten it up here. Okay, that's hand tight. All right, come to your starboard side of the boat and go ahead and pump up the ball. So the first time you start this up after replacing this, it might take an extra second or two. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you guys for watching the video. Remember, the most important part of this video is to get one of the Quicksilver sockets. You can call your Mercury dealer. They got them on Amazon, $10, $11. And it's going to make your whole process easier, especially for your longevity of your boat. We do this every other year probably, because we're not on the big motor as much as the trolling motor. So some people do it yearly, some people do it less. So if you guys like anything fishing, tractors, auto, two-way freedom, check us out, RealAmericanOutdoors.com. Also check out FAFO Fishing for anything custom lures, rods, and we got pretty sweet hard baits, soft baits, and jigs coming out this summertime. So check us out, FAFOfishing.com. We'll see you guys next time.